All right, let's start with speaking part 2. Describe a person who likes to grow plants. Who likes, present tense, please.
Okay, well, I have decided to talk about my neighbor because he is really a real tree hugger, and I immediately read this cue card. Just one name spring into my mind. He is Mr. Lodi. He is banker by profession, and his passionate to gardening make him more famous, and my locality, no doubt, inspired me a lot. I came to know him about when he shifted 2 years back in my neighborhood. I really surprised to see that he is seen all the time to look after the plants and terrace gardening also. He actually grow multitude of colorful plants. Moreover, he also grow vegetables and fruits and spices. He also known about the latest technology of growing plants. He not grow plants because of the for the sake of money. His aim is to grow plants to educate the people about the gardening, terrace gardening, terrace backyards, and no doubt about the hydroponic farming, which is very popular among the peoples due to the shortage of the land.
Okay, thank you so much. Although your vocabulary is good, but your sentence structure is quite weak, so you need to focus your grammar. Like you said, he's seen. He's seen is not correct English. Yeah, you can say I saw him or he was seen, right? But he seen is wrong. Then you said I surprise. It should have been I was surprised.
Okay.
When someone gives you a surprise, then you say I was surprised.
Was.
Then you said 3 times he grow, he grow, he grow. It should have been he grows.
Okay.
Okay? And then you said he not. I mean, it should be he does not, he did not. But you said he not grow plants only, but also something like that. Okay? And then you said he known. So it should have been he knows. So there are frequent grammatical mistakes. In every second sentence, there is a grammatical error. Now we move on to speaking part 3. What kind of plants do people like to grow in their homes?
And nowadays people are growing plants, various type of plants. Firstly, they grow plants, flowering plants, and rose and jasmine. Secondly, non-flowering plant like medical plants like aloe vera and neem. Not but this, people also plant which are not by using by soil but into the water. It's a latest technology.
All right, which are not using by soil. So it should be which are not cultivated by soil, cultivated by knowledge. So these type of mistakes should be overcome, right? Thank you so much.